Whew, finally. Just get some peace and quiet, all by myself. Whew, just gonna relax. Hey. Hey, what you doing? Hey, what you doing? Okay. I'm just trying, let's stop. Just trying to be quiet. Just wanna shut my mind off, okay? Hey, I was thinking, since Star Wars was a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, and they can travel through hyperspace, don't you think that by now someone from there could have visited us here? Seriously? That's what you're gonna come up with right now? First of all, Star Wars is fiction, we're reality, and I just don't want to figure that out right now. In fact, I don't want to be thinking about anything right now. If you like pina colada, getting caught in the rain. No, not doing the whole earworm thing right now. No, just leave it alone. Just calm down. Peace. Inner peace. Oh, yeah. Hey, you remember that time you were out on your one and only date with Tracy? Oh man, everything was going great. I mean, night was going good, and then came to the end and she was getting out of the car and she said, I had a great night. And you said, me too, love you. Oh man, that was so funny. I ain't ever gonna let you forget that one. Oh man, why did you have to bring that up? I haven't thought about that in years. Come on man, just stop. Hey, don't forget, you gotta fix the bathroom sink before everybody gets home. Seriously, I go from brain fog to brain won't shut down. I'm my own worst enemy.